Hello guys, and welcome back to another helpful video. If you're using the Poppo Live app and want more privacy while streaming or using the app, then this video is perfect for you. In today's video, I will show you step-by-step how to hide your microphone status in the Poppo Live app, so others won't be able to see when your mic is active. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to the App Store and type Poppo Live in the search bar. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version. Once you have updated the app, open the Poppo Live app. Then go to your profile by tapping the icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, go to Settings, then tap on Privacy. Here you will see the option Hide Microphone Status. Simply enable it, and that's it. That's all for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Until next time.